Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. How to download and install Esign easily with the latest certificate method. Here, you won't need to revoke it because the certificate in Esign is new, and you can install IPF files with Esign. First, open this link to install Esign. I will input this Esign installation on description so you can download Esign without revoke and computer. Then click Install. Wait until Esign is successfully installed on your device. Then verify Esign first by going to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Then trust Esign with new certificate. Now you can use Esign. Launch Esign app. Continue the process. After that, you need to import new certificate into Esign. Download this certificate on your computer. I will insert this certificate on description. After downloaded the certificate, open Esign again. Click three dots on the top. Then import certificate zip file. Then unzip the file. Then see the password on note text. Copy the password. Go back again and click Install P12 certificate. Input the password. Now the certificate and Esign ready to use any IPA files. After that, import the IPA files that want to install. Go to Apps section. Then click Signature. Then install the app. Now, Esign will automatically install the IPA files on your home screen. So you no longer need to use DNS for Esign, because this uses the latest certificate method. Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.